Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, owner of Emerson Animal Hospital here in West Point, Mississippi. And today I have with me my kennel manager, David, and my associate veterinarian, Amanda Gettinger. And this is June, and we're about to tell a fascinating story about June.
Good morning, Sunrisers. This is June. She is a 7 to 8 month old bloodhound that came into us for a second set of puppy shots. The owners had noticed that she had been drinking and urinating more than she normally does, so they just wanted to have us checked out. So we went ahead and did a urinalysis and checked her bladder with the ultrasound and noticed that she had some white blood cells in her bladder as well as some bacteria. We did put her on an antibiotic, but she came back about 2 weeks later even worse. So we decided to go ahead and do a urine culture. I know with these guys, with them being so young, it's hard to believe that these guys can get a UTI, and that's exactly what she had. And when we did the culture, we found out she was growing two organisms, two bacteria that were very resistant to a lot of our antibiotics that we normally use. But by doing the culture, we were able to put her on the correct antibiotic and got her to feeling much better. Now June is bacteria free in her bladder and is doing much better. But it is so important, especially whether it is a puppy or an older dog, it is so important to allow us to do these diagnostics, because we can't just keep putting them on different antibiotics, because that's what creates the antibiotic resistance that we're seeing even in human medicine. But by doing a culture, we can go ahead and see what bacteria is growing and what antibiotic they need to be on, so we can shorten the disease state as well as make them feel better a lot quicker. But if you have any questions or concerns about your animals, whether it be scratching their ears, drinking or urinating excessively, or just anything in general that just is abnormal for your pet on a daily basis, please don't hesitate to call, and your pet will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.